Okay, example 2 in section 10.1 should be a little quicker because we already learned all the concepts that we need to. So what we're going to do here is we've got another figure, okay, and it looks like some sort of street map. And what we're going to do is we are going to answer just a few questions about that map. So the given line markings show how the roads in a town are related to one another. What we want to do first is name a pair of parallel lines, okay? Now there are several lines on here that look like they might be parallel to each other. This line CD looks like it might be parallel to MB, but we can't be sure. The ones that we can be sure 100% are definitely going to be parallel are the ones that are marked parallel. And so if you look here, these markings, these little arrowheads on the lines indicate that the lines are parallel. So this line here is parallel to this line here. All we have to do is name them. So I can name this line DM, for example. I could also name it DA. I could also name it MA. Any 2 points. Don't name all three, okay? So let's go with DM. So I can say that line DM is parallel to this line down here. Now that only has 2 points indicated on it, so we'll call that line EF. And those are parallel lines. Now what about a pair of perpendicular lines? Well, again, there are a bunch of lines that look perpendicular, but right here we see a right angle marked. So we know that the angle between these 2 lines are definitely going to be perpendicular. Okay, so this line, I could call it MA, and this line, MB, would be perpendicular to line MA is perpendicular. Here's the symbol we use for perpendicular. We just draw like 2 lines that look perpendicular to one another. MA is perpendicular to line MB. And that's how we draw that one, right? So MA and MB. Last question, is FE parallel to AC? Well, we said earlier we definitely know that, let me do some erasing here. We definitely know that these 2 lines are parallel, MD and EF, because they're marked so. Well, you can see that MD and AC here are definitely not parallel. They're intersecting. So if this line is parallel to this one, it can't be possible that this one is. This one, if it would keep going, you can see it would definitely cross EF. So are these parallel? No. All right, and explain. A number of explanations you could give, but clearly AC would intersect EF at FE at some point. And if they would intersect at some point, then we know they're not parallel. And that is it for example 2.